I know that does end that round of questions. Now we go to your questions. And the first question is actually for Council Members Stewart and Felder. And the other question, which I will read after this, will be for Mr. Parker. To Council Members Stewart and Felder, I believe that both of you are running for the 21st seat due to the fact that your terms are ending in the council seat due to term limits. What can you tell me to change my mind that you are running for the constituents and not for selfish reasons? This question to both Council Member Stewart and then Council Member Felder.
Every one of you who know me know that I practice medicine for over 25 years. It's not about me, it's about helping my constituents. As I said before, I always challenge elected officials to do something. And if we are in position to do, we should not just be in office to say that we're there for 10, 15 or 20 years. When we leave office, we must be able to say what we have accomplished. What have we left as a legacy to help our people? No matter what it is, whether it's on immigration, on health, to deal with seniors, or even in our schools. I must let you know that before I got in the council, there was no air conditioning in the auditoriums in my schools. Today, I'm proud to say that I made sure that all of my schools are not, the auditoriums are air conditioned. The same thing as far as computer labs are concerned, science labs. The point is, brothers and sisters, it's just not enough to be in office for 6, 10, 15 years. And then when asked what you have done for us, you have none very little to say, oh, by the way, you have given this year somebody $100,000, and then you ask, where's the money? It takes another 2 or 3 years to come down. The point is, brothers and sisters, you have to do, you have to perform. It's about words, and that's what I'm running on. My record to do for the people.
As many of you know, there are no term limits in New York State. In theory, Senator Parker could be there for 30 years. I'm going to help him not stay there that long. But there are no term limits for state officials. There are term limits for city officials, and you, the voters, decided that. I didn't decide that. You decided that city council members and citywide officials should only have 8 years. And now, someone asks a question, is the only reason you're running because you're term limited? Well, let me tell you, I'd like to have a job. That doesn't mean that I deserve to be the senator. You decide who should be the senator. You decide whether Senator Parker should be there for another 2 years or not. You decide whether I should be term limited and do something else, and whether Dr. Stewart should. I don't think there's a sin. Senator Parker said it's not a sin to be angry. Well, I certainly don't think it's a sin to ask the people in this Senate district who you want to serve you in the Senate.